harvest here has just concluded. Thousands of hands have worked these rich tropical soils. The harvest here has just concluded. This vast plantation now rests under the golden morning sun. Thousands...
Hold it steady now. Nothing goes to waste here. Let's grab these stems for the fiber extraction. Perfect, nothing goes to waste. All right, bring it on back, right over here.
Soft fiber processing?
Yes, full load.
Check these fibers for tensile strength. This batch is perfect for spinning.
Banana fibers are strong and versatile. They dry naturally in a controlled environment. This is the future of...
These fibers are incredibly strong.
Perfect for the next batch.
The tensile strength is excellent on this batch. The consistency is perfect.
Our green technology transforms tough banana fibers, creating soft, sustainable textiles for the future.
We blend these fibers for comfort and durability.
Starting test on batch 42.
Elasticity is holding well above standard.
See how tight that fit is now? We've almost eliminated the interstitial waste. Perfect. That meets the sustainability target for this line.
Look how tightly these are nested now.
We've reached 92% utilization on this bolt.
Put the small sleeves with the medium frames.
I'll match these up.
We need to group all the medium panels here.
Right, I am matching the floral patterns now.
The stitching on this batch looks perfect. No defects here.
All set, this batch is cleared for shipment.
Our sustainable collection begins its journey, leaving the eco-factory for stores worldwide.
Our sustainable collections are leaving the factory, traveling clean to retailers worldwide, making fashion more responsible. From banana plant waste to finished sustainable garment. From banana plant waste to finished sustainable garment.